Hey guys, we just bought a garage here in Euro Truck Simulator in Zurich. I got some loan from the bank and decided to buy it. And let's start buying more trucks and then hire more drivers and make more money. I would personally like to buy some truck now, but let's just save the game once. Hmm. There are some used trucks though. I think this is a better one, I guess. Hmm. So these ones are the pricey ones though. So maybe we can go get more loan, let's say, and then try to buy these trucks. Hmm. This one has a lot of wear though. Hmm. I mean, I think we can buy this for now. Let's go home, get some loans. We can do one more 100,000. I mean, we are going crazy. Let's go. Why not? Buy a bunch of trucks, man. Use trucks. I buy this one. Hmm. Okay, let's just buy this one. Got it. And then uh, 93,000. This is 420 horsepower, 241,000 and somewhat okay here. Let's check this one. Okay, that one seems to be better. I think this is the truck I have currently at the moment. And fuck it. And then we have 10. I'm thinking let's go to the home, bank, and let's do one more. We have 20,000 more. Let's just buy it, man. Okay, we just bought a garage and we just bought three trucks. We just got like $500,000 loan. Jesus Christ. Now recruitment agency. Uh, is there one nearby? Probably. Huh. I think we should go here though. Let's just go. I think that's a recruitment agency and I'm almost driving it like a race car at this point. Oh, not enough money. Ah, I need to have some more money. Fuck. Which we don't have. I mean, we exhausted every option there. Hmm. which is fine. I think like if we do like one more mission, meanwhile we'll be able to solve this issue though. We're getting a lot of damages, boys. Because it's morning 4 a.m. here while I'm recording this shit. Just so tired here. Whoa. What I can do is I can go and sleep. That's a good idea. Let's see some more. Okay, the income is positive. Now we go and hire a bunch of. Awesome. And then this dude hire. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, now we have 336 trucks, I think. Two garages, 8 trucks, and 8 drivers. And one of us is ourselves. and it's a good time to save. That is awesome. I think it's a good time to quit. So, see you guys for today's stream. Time is here is like 4:50. It's almost morning 5 a.m. So I need to go to bed. See you guys.